you guys tell me there's nothing you can fucking do about it, but you're doing this to me.
This is something she bought from the store just the other day.
No, she fucking didn't.
Sunday.
She's had it.
Okay,
I am friends with her. I can prove she's had it for months.
I don't think you're friends with her.
On the evening of January 22nd, 2025, a patrol officer with the Ottawa Police Department in Ottawa, Illinois, responded to a neighbor dispute that had escalated into alleged theft and criminal harassment. 3 overlapping legal questions emerge from the footage. First, whether consensual entry remained valid through the moment of arrest. Second, whether the subject's inculpatory statements were obtained in violation of her Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. And third, whether the circumstantial evidence on hand was sufficient to establish probable cause for a theft arrest.
Yeah?
Okay.
Come on.
Do you want to talk inside or do you want to talk right here?
Hi. What's going on?
Do you have any idea why I'd be here talking to you?
No.
Okay. Here, I'll just hit the phone to see if there's some privacy here.
Kidding me?
Yeah. So,
You guys on the couch? What's
do you
going
know
on?
anything about these notes? That were left on the door of your neighbor.
No. Fuck.
So those were left there within the last hour, along with another item stolen from her doorway. Okay? So that's why I'm here. Obviously, it's got your name on it and everything like that. So,
Of course it does. You know how long she's been harassing me?
so this isn't exactly harassment of you. This is, if this is going on with her, and this is, and here's the thing that the video is going to show me. I'm going to have Amanda come out and look at the video. And if it's you, then I'm just going to be honest with you. As far as the stealing of decorations, you're going to face theft charges. Okay. I'm not trying to come
decoration?
in. Huh?
What decoration?
There's a heart-shaped decoration that was stolen from her door today, just now, within the last hour. Okay, or within the last like three hours here. So it's not there. It was there when she got home. She just bought it from the store. Okay, and I get her concerned with
She
it.
just bought that from the store. I've known her since she moved in here like 3 years ago. She's had that decoration.
Okay, well this one she said it got put up Sunday after the previous one was stolen. Because there was some stolen the other night when we were here. Do you remember that?
I remember people coming to my door and accusing me.
Yeah, we were here. I was here with the other officer. We weren't accusing you of anything besides just yelling and causing a scene.
Well, not only that, but I reported to my property manager like a week and a half before, and she said that I did what I did. Shit was taken off my door.
Okay.
Shit was taken off a door in the other hallway. 2 doors in the other hallway. We have had a vandalism of fucking decorations in this fucking building.
I'm sure you can understand why you would be a suspect in this.
Oh, of course,
Sure
of course, because
you
she's
guys
the
don't have a
one.
good relationship.
She is the one that did the whole DCFS thing on me.
I know. So these are here. Do you mind if I look at that little pen you got over there?
The what?
You have a little pen over there. It looks like it's like a multicolored pen.
I don't care.
Is that okay?
They're going to be my demise, a multicolored pen.
Well, I mean the purple one selected.
Okay.
And that writing in purple.
Really?
I mean, look at this.
Okay. And do you want to go through the entire apartment building and see who has pens that write in different colors?
I'm just saying.
I'm not the only person that has a pen that writes in different colors.
So you're the prime person here that
Of
would have
course
done that.
I am. She's been harassing me since last week.
But you have this literally laying on the counter, the purple one selected.
That's my pen. My kid gave me that.
Okay.
Literally.
All I'm trying to tell you is I'm trying to save you. I'm trying to give you the fact that, hey, I'm going to look at the video. It's going to tell me yes or no. I give people the option to tell me.
You can look at the video?
Yeah, 100%. I'm going to look at the video.
So when my door got vandalized like 2 weeks ago and I asked the property manager and she said that we can't do anything about it, now all of a sudden everybody can do something about it?
Yeah, hey, listen. Here's another thing.
What?
Let me show you something here. That looks kind of like it fits, doesn't it? How about that?
Oh, my thing that fucking Really?
That's 100% from that notepad. What are you talking about? How can you sit here with a straight face and deny that? How can you sit here with a straight face and deny that?
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. You are doing this.
The girl that has harassed me for the last week.
You are harassing your neighbor. This is harassment.
I'm not.
How is this not harassment?
How is what she not did to me last week harassment?
Was she called DCFS?
Yes.
Okay, that's
harassment because the DCFS report was unfounded.
Okay, I understand that you're upset. I would be upset too because I'm a parent, and if somebody calls DCFS, I would be upset.
Whatever she had directing on her fucking door.
I get that.
I just put the fucking notes.
I get that.
I'm done. I'm tired.
Okay.
I'm so tired of being harassed.
You just put the notes. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to look at that video. If you're on video with that heart, taking that heart, you're going to get arrested. I'm trying to save you the
How?
I'm trying to save you by you just telling me right now, okay? Be honest here. You're here in front of your
How am I going to get arrested?
It's theft. You cannot.
It's not. You want to know how it's not?
How? Explain it. Yeah, please.
Oh, yeah. I will explain that because a week ago, when she tore shit off my door and she vandalized my door when I called housing and I reported it to housing, you know what housing told me? There's nothing we do about it.
Did you buy it? Did you buy
Yes!
No, I'm sorry. Did you buy the heart decoration that was on her door?
I bought the decorations that were on my door.
I know, but the ones that are on her door, did you buy them? No. So that means it's her property.
I didn't
so you
touch
can't knowingly
her
take
decoration.
You're telling me you're not going to be on camera taking that. Are you kidding me? You're telling me that you left these notes, but you're not the one. So somebody else.
Of course I left those notes. She has been harassing me since last Monday.
You cannot go around leaving stuff on people's door like this.
I'm sorry. But she has been harassing me since last week. You know what she did last Monday? Me and my daughter had a bad morning, and I was yelling, and she was crying.
I'm familiar with it. Because I read the notes.
She reported it.
Okay, and I get it. Where you're yelling at your kid and stuff because you're upset. I
And
get that way too.
unfounded.
I get that way. Okay, so that's good. That means it's over.
It's not over.
Why is it not over?
It's not over because on Friday, I didn't do anything to her.
Okay.
Last Friday, Saturday.
But I was here. You were yelling at her. I saw the video. You were yelling through your door at her. You were doing more stuff, more garbage like this. How old are you?
How was I yelling through my door at her? If I'm standing at my door and songing something about do you guys not understand and realize that's why she is so fucking mad?
I watched the video of you screaming and yelling specifically saying her name.
Yeah.
Okay, calling her a junkie, which is exactly
because
what
she
is.
is.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. If
she wants to sit here and she calls people on me and stuff like that, and she is not sober, that's not fair. How do you do that to me?
Okay.
I am a great mom.
Hey,
I treat my kid good.
I want to ask you an honest question. I want an honest answer here. Where's the heart decoration right now? Where is it?
What heart?
The one you stole from her door.
I didn't.
Do you want to talk to her and just figure out what?
What? I've been down at Candy's.
Okay, who's Candy?
My friend. She lives in 1C.
She lives in 1C. But you wrote these though. That's why you wrote 1C, because your friend lives down there. Do you mind if I look this up real quick?
Okay.
Is it okay? Do me a favor.
No,
Turn it on.
Just do me a favor.
Call Candy right now. Call Candy right now.
Can I call my mom to come get my kid?
Yep. You do that right now. You're under arrest. Call right now. You're under arrest for theft.
Hey, my phone. Mommy's phone. Give me mommy's phone.
What?
Give me my phone.
You're not on any kind of pretrial release or anything, are you?
No.
Okay.
No. No. I've just been dealing with harassment from her.
Hey, listen. And this is exactly what I'm telling you right now.
I just wanted to fucking get even, man. I don't want to lose my kid, and I don't want to go to jail. I am because I am
Hold on.
with DCFS because of her.
Stop talking right now. Your kid's right here in the room. Call her. We'll talk when it's just me and you. Okay? Call right now. Call right now. You're not. Listen. So here's the deal. You're gonna go with me. You're gonna get charged with theft, and you're gonna get brought back here.
don't want
to
to
your
go
kid.
to jail.
Okay?
I'm gonna lose custody of her.
You're not going to go to
Yes,
jail
I
today.
am. Because how are you going to do anything with me if you don't take me to the police
No, I mean,
station?
you have to go to the police station, but that's not jail. You're not going to spend a night in jail, okay? You're going to go with me for a short time. You're going to walk out of there with a ticket and a court date. Unless you make this worse than it is right now.
I'm so tired of her.
You can't steal her stuff, and you can't write
She
her threatening
can't
notes.
steal mine.
You know what?
She
For one,
did,
okay.
like 3 nights ago.
Okay,
She
I
told
see
the
it 3
cops
nights
on me
ago.
and said I vandalized her
Call her right
door.
now. Call her right now. I'm done having this conversation with you. You're going to call her right now.
Yeah, because you don't want to know about it. You don't care. You don't care what happened beforehand. You just care what happened now.
Call her.
Right. Yeah. Thank you for confirming. I've been harassed, but
Hey, you need to turn these things off. These are still warm.
Yeah, because I was cooking fucking dinner, but I'm being harassed, so it's alright. I got it.
I'm just making sure I don't want your apartment to burn down.
Okay. You do me a favor. You guys come out here. Because I need somebody to come get Matilda. Because my neighbor is being fucking arrested. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. It's just backup. Oh, I'm... Can you just come get Matilda? Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Good. Not too bad. How are you? This is Officer Colgin with the Ottawa Police Department. Colgin? Yep. Okay. Well, so if Amanda, are you okay with me telling her what's going on?
She already knows most of it. She's known that she's been harassing me for fucking weeks
You're an
now.
adult. You're an adult. Are you okay with me telling her what's going on?
Yeah, tell her. She's
gonna
been
be placed under
harassing
arrest
me
for
for
theft.
weeks now.
So she'll be going down to the theft. Yeah, and she stole something from her neighbor's door
Right,
decoration. It was only
okay.
$8, but she's also leaving harassing, threatening notes for her. So she's going to be taken down to the PD. She'll be processed.
Really?
And then she'll be
How
brought
about
back
what
here.
she did to me a couple
So-
weeks ago, but you guys didn't do shit about it.
Is that from Ottawa or is that from somewhere else?
It's from here. It's always from here.
Okay, sounds good. Alrighty, thank
Kidding
you.
me.
Bye.
I smoke.
If you're allowed to in your apartment, I don't. It's not against the law to smoke.
Whatever it is. I don't know what started this.
What's that? The DCFS thing, right?
Last Monday. And I didn't even, that was closed. It was closed. I don't have anything to fucking do with it.
Okay,
And
but
now,
here's the thing though, Amanda. You need to learn from this and you need to not do this stuff anymore. How old are you right now? How old are you?
are you kidding me? Before I left those notes, you know what she did a couple days ago that I can't prove?
What's that?
That little thing on my door right there that had legs and a hand doesn't anymore.
Okay. Okay.
I have complained.
I know you had the same complaint.
Now,
You had the same complaint when we were here on Saturday. The fact of the matter is, you again went back. Even though, and I'm going to be honest with you.
How am I
I'll be
not
honest
supposed
with
to
you.
know? I know it's her
There's-
fucking with me.
There's you cannot go leaving notes on people's doors.
Why? She
Threatening
did
them.
to me, and you guys just let it go. You guys just
Did you
let
call
it
us?
go.
Did you call us and tell us she left a note on your door?
Huh?
Did you call and tell us that she left a note on your door?
Yes.
Really? When? And who did you speak to?
But a couple weeks ago, when my decorations first started going missing, when I complained to housing told me they couldn't do anything about it. I called OPD, And I asked them if they would fucking look into it.
Hey, listen, if you called somebody, you spoke with an officer about that, then you can follow up with that specific officer.
It's not fucking fair. She can't harass me like this, man. She can't. She has been.
Again, you cannot steal somebody else's property.
It's not.
That is this. Hold on. This is theft.
Wow. She can do it to me, but I can't do it to her.
This belongs to her.
Beginning with the Fourth Amendment, the Supreme Court held in Payton versus New York that a warrantless arrest inside a private home is presumptively unconstitutional unless the government can point to valid consent or exigent circumstances. In this encounter, the subject verbally invited the officer inside, a fact that satisfies the consent exception under established doctrine. However, consent to enter is not a blank check. Courts have consistently held that its scope is limited to what a reasonable person would have understood it to cover at the time it was given. Physically examining personal items like the pen and the notepad during what began as a consensual welfare check pushes against that boundary. A defense motion on this point would have merit. Turning to the Fifth Amendment, the Miranda Doctrine requires law enforcement to advise a suspect of their rights before custodial interrogation. The court in Berkemer v. McCarty clarified that the trigger is not every police questioning, but only questioning that occurs once the encounter has become the functional equivalent of arrest. The test drawn from United States v. Mendenhall asks whether a reasonable person in the subject's position would have felt free to terminate the encounter and leave. In this case, the subject made several damaging admissions before any arrest was formally declared. Those admissions, including confirming she authored the threatening notes and stating she wanted to get even, were made inside her own apartment, under persistent police questioning, with the officer positioned between her and the door. A court would need to determine the precise moment the encounter crossed from consensual to custodial, and whether those admissions fall before or after that line. If a judge finds the interrogation became custodial prior to the Miranda warning, those statements face suppression under the exclusionary rule. On probable cause, the totality of circumstances standard set out in Illinois v. Gates requires only that the facts known to the officer at the time of arrest would lead a reasonably prudent person to believe a crime was committed and that this individual committed it. Here, the officer had notes bearing the subject's apparent authorship, a matching pen with the purple selector engaged, and paper from the subject's own notepad that appeared to match the notes. The recovered decoration was found inside the residence and observed in plain view during a lawful, consensual entry, satisfying the doctrine established in Horton v. California. That constellation of facts, taken together, clears the probable cause threshold as a matter of law. It is worth noting, however, that circumstantial evidence of this kind, a matching pen color, similar paper stock, would face rigorous challenge at trial, since none of these items were submitted for forensic analysis on camera. The chain of custody for the recovered decoration was not explicitly documented in the footage. A competent defense attorney would argue that the pen match is speculative. Multicolored pens are common consumer items, and that without handwriting analysis or fingerprint evidence linking the subject to the specific notes, the physical evidence alone may not survive a directed verdict motion under Illinois Supreme Court Rule 301. What ultimately tips the scales in the prosecution's favor is not the physical match itself, but the subject's own words. And that is precisely why the Miranda question is not peripheral to this case, but central to it. Without those admissions, the physical evidence becomes substantially weaker.
You took it within the last hour.
Well,
and I even gave you
that was on my door. She took that belonged to me.
I even gave you a chance to be honest with me.
I have video proof.
Okay. I even gave you a chance to be honest with me. And we're going to see you on camera taking it on Saturday too, I'm sure of it.
No,
I'm
you won't.
Okay. Just like this time, right?
Oh, really? So that's so something that my property manager told me when I complained to her about things missing off my door, and the apartment next to me and the apartment down from me. but nobody can do anything about it. Nobody's allowed to do anything about it. It's not against violation of housing policy, nothing like that. So I couldn't do anything about it. But when I fucking tried, now I'm getting in fucking trouble?
You can't steal somebody. Yes, you are getting in trouble for stealing somebody else's property. That's called theft in the state of Illinois. You can't do it.
She did it to me first.
Okay. Well, we're going to wait for her ride to come, or somebody to come here and sit with her, and then we're going to go to the police department. You're going to be charged with theft.
How did she do this to me first and I get fucking charged with it? I'm going thing for like 3 fucking days.
Hey, stop cussing in front of your
And it's
kid.
been an ongoing thing for 3 days.
I know. I was here on Saturday. I'm well aware. I'm well aware of
Yeah,
what's
you're the
ongoing.
one that treated me like shit and told me that you didn't believe what I was fucking saying.
And
right.
this only confirms it, because you know what? When I came here,
What?
you denied the notes, and I proved to you that you wrote them. You denied taking it. This is in your garbage. What do you expect? You expect me to believe you? People lie to me all day. You think this is my first day?
Retaliation of what she did a couple days ago when she called you and said that I fucked that shit up on her door. I didn't.
10-4.
She
Amanda's
did,
in
and she
10 shortly. We're
blamed
just
me.
waiting on someone to take care of her child.
Really?
Yeah. Just let my dispatcher know what's going on.
Because you're not listening to me and you don't care to. Wow. Junkie gets me sent to fucking jail. Nice. Don't believe me.
If you're free to stand by with her daughter just until the grandpa gets here.
Nobody's free to stand by besides my mother, who's taking my daughter.
A police officer. A police officer will stand by with the kid because you're going to be placed under arrest.
I don't care if my mom's going to take her home.
Is she going to take her home or is she going to stay here?
She's going to take her home.
Okay.
Where she lives in Marseilles. If you want that information, you want to be an asshole. Treat me like shit.
Is it, so it's your dad that's coming? What's your dad's name?
My mom.
You said, she said that your dad is leaving.
Oh.
What's your dad's name?
Daniel.
Daniel Rogers?
Social, you want everything to know about him?
Do you know his birthday? No, I just, before, when the other officer gets here, the other
all
officer...
you're going to do is treat me
Hey,
suspect.
listen, you are.
Any type of fucking officer
Listen.
gets you. Not going to treat me with respect. Stop talking
Listen,
to me.
I'm treating you
No,
with
you
as much
won't.
respect as I can right now. You are, it's not even a suspect. You are the one that did the crime.
And she did the crime the other time, but I can't prove it, so I get fucking blamed with it. You'd think by now you'd realize somebody has a vendetta against me.
Okay. We'll be done with this conversation until...
Because you don't fucking believe me.
I don't. No, you're right.
Of course
You're
you don't.
100%
Get the
correct.
fuck out of my apartment.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
You gotta leave me alone. Of course you don't.
I have no reason
You
to.
hear one manipulative story,
I have absolutely no reason to.
some crocodile tears, and then you believe everything you're told. I didn't do anything to her.
Yeah, you stole her property. You stole her property and you left...
So did she. So did she, but I was not fortunate enough to get it on camera like she fucking did.
This didn't even need to be on camera. It's in your garbage
No,
can.
it's fucking not, because the
Right.
property manager does not check the camera.
Okay.
She doesn't.
Well, she's going to check and she's going to probably
No,
see you.
she's not.
She's probably going to see you on
No,
Saturday stealing it too.
she's not. She's not. Do you know I've had my door vandalized 6 times in the last month and a half, and you know what the property manager did for it? Not a fucking thing. Because we're not supposed to hang decorations out in the hallway. We're not supposed to decorate our doors.
Okay.
Alright, stuff missing.
Hello?
Right. Yeah, we did that. Apparently nobody.
Nobody in the hall.
I've been harassed by her. So she made the DCFS report. I mean, and
You know what I would suggest as
as
an actual way to... I know she, of course.
I can prove it.
That she made the DCFS report.
She's been harassing me ever since then. How do you make a DCFS report on Monday and then Friday I have a sheriff and a fucking officer at my door? For what? For what? What did I do between Monday and Friday?
They came to probably check on the DCFS report. I would imagine.
No! I'm being harassed. You guys don't seem to notice
Well, so
it.
here's the thing.
You guys don't
let me
care.
let me give you a couple options of ways to solve this, okay? Because now, see, you're
Nobody
here at housing.
cares.
Why don't you get a hold of Amanda and why don't you?
Are you kidding me?
Why don't you talk to her about? Hold on,
reported it.
stop. Why don't you talk to her about moving from this apartment to go to a
Oh,
different?
really?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you talk to your officers about a couple days ago when they come here and they accused me of some false ass shit and
That
then
was
they
me.
left?
That was me, and it wasn't false. It was true, just like tonight's true.
Oh, really?
Yep.
How is it true? So the video that she showed you of me yelling at my kid 4 days
Yep.
prior?
You're good. Okay. Do you want to put that cigarette out? Do you want a coat?
I'm not doing anything
Do you want a
until
coat?
my mom and dad get
Do you want a coat? You don't have a choice. You don't have a
Where is
choice.
she gonna fucking go? How
She's
do I
gonna
not
stay
have a
right
fucking
here. She's
choice?
gonna stay here with this officer until.
No, because
Yeah.
you're gonna let that stupid
gonna-
bitch across the hall into my apartment.
Get up. Get up. Get up. We're not gonna do this. in
What'd
front of
I
your
do?
daughter. You're under arrest for theft. I'm telling you that right
What
now.
did I steal?
The cart's sitting on the counter.
Okay, so that is not.
Stand up. Stand up. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, report. I call you guys. I report some shit. I'm arrested.
We've had this conversation over and
Okay.
over and over.
Yeah, and you're siding with everybody but
I
me.
am.
You're not
And you
listening to me.
know
won't
why?
listen to me.
Like I told you, Amanda, 100
Yeah,
times
I
probably
don't
by now.
care. I don't
You
care.
had the
You're
stolen
not
decoration.
fucking listening.
Stop moving your wrist.
Not moving my wrist. What are you gonna accuse me of fucking obstruction now?
Are your parents on the way?
Yeah, so her dad's on the way. He's going to be here probably in less than 10 minutes. So.
Okay, less than 10 minutes. I didn't accuse of
Here, we're going to set
obstruction.
this. We're going to set. Well, not unless you do anything that.
Oh
you
no,
shouldn't
I'm not
do.
gonna do anything.
Okay.
You're gonna
Do you
do
have shoes?
everything
Do you have shoes you want to take?
to try and accuse me of obstruction. I know how you guys fucking do.
I think she didn't steal. Do you want to, like that sweatshirt or something thrown over you?
How am I gonna do that?
I'll
Cuff my fucking hand.
Throw it over you.
Throw it over you.
Leave me alone.
Okay, here we go.
You make me.
Which key is it?
I can't. I'm not.
Which key is it? Is it this one right here?
That. Not leaving my kids.
You have to.
No, I don't. Not until my mom gets here.
Until they get here.
Yeah, he's gonna say this.
Seriously,
Yeah,
I
he's
need
gonna
my
say-
phone. You won't even give me my phone. You're gonna fucking take me to my apartment. My kid's gonna sit here alone.
She's not gonna be alone.
Yes, she fucking is. You're no protection to her.
Okay.
No fucking protection to her. Alright, let's see what
Hang on one sec here.
I'm doing.
What's your dad's name again?
Dan. Get your fucking hand off my shoulder.
I have to control you.
No, you don't. I don't need to take control. I can walk by my fucking self. Of course, you don't believe that. Well, woman. Of course, you got to grab me. Don't like, I don't know, woman, the handcuffs can overpower you. Pathetic. my mom the fucking key. She ripped shit off my door. And you guys tell me there's nothing you can fucking do but if you're doing this to me.
This is something she bought from the store just the other day.
No, she fucking didn't.
Something.
She's had it.
Okay.
I am friends with her. I can prove she's had it for
I
months.
don't think you're friends with her.
Yes, I fucking am.
Let's go. Come on. Don't
I can prove it. My mom can prove it.
Don't cause a scene.
My fucking mom. Everybody in this fucking building can prove that Becca is my goddamn friend. Even my mom. You don't give me a fucking coat. Hey,
You're the aunt?
stop. You don't give me a fucking coat.
There's another officer.
She's lying.
Okay.
Becca's never been my fucking friend. Stop. And I don't get a coat.
Is this somebody that's with you?
I don't get a coat.
Hey,
So I'm not
listen.
fucking freeze.
You're going in a warm car. You need to stop. Stop.
How am I getting
Listen.
arrested for
Stop.
decorations
Look
on
at
a goddamn door?
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing,
Matilda?
man.
Where is Matilda
She
stuff?
is upstairs. I was in the middle of making spaghetti.
Okay. You need to stop yelling because you're making matters worse for your damn self.
No, I'm
Yes,
not.
you are.
Fucking man.
Enough is enough. This shit is old. We're done. Do you understand?
Are you
Stop.
kidding me?
Stop.
There's
need
another
to
officer
leave.
up there, though.
I don't know.
No. She needs to go and my mom needs to come in.
I'm picking up Matilda.
No, man, because you're not going to fucking sit there and berate me like that. Really?
Let's go. Come on.
Really?
Go.
Fuck you, Angie.
You're gonna walk right to the door. Pay attention.
Yeah, I have no coat. Thank you. Thanks for not letting me get a fucking coat. I don't want her picking up my kid.
Stand right here.
I don't want her picking up my kid.
Okay, I will call this.
Please video or call in. She's not.
You want your mom?
Yes.
Pick her up.
Yep.
4352.
Angela McCurdy cannot pick up my kid. Only Lisa
There's gonna be another
Rogers.
female coming up to pick up the kid. Amanda said she doesn't want her to have the child. She wants her mom to pick him up.
Cool.
Have you already called your mom?
Yeah, I called my mom. I don't know why she's fucking showing.
Here. Here. What's your code here? So we can call your mom. 9396? Okay. Here. We're gonna call your mom and tell her that you calm down so you can talk to her. 10-4, stand by. We're on the phone with your mom.
Calm down.
Hey, so this is Officer Colton. So she's pretty upset right now. But who came here to pick up the kid? What was her name?
That's Matilda's aunt, my daughter, Angela.
Okay, because now Angela's saying she does not want her to pick her up. Is that something you want to talk to her about?
Yes.
Here, talk to your mom.
I can't move my hand.
I'm gonna hold it here. It's on speaker.
What?
Calm down. Your sister is
I
picking up
didn't
Tilly
do
because listen, she's bringing her here. There's nobody else to pick her up. She was already in town. She is getting Tilly and bringing her to my house.
I don't fucking do anything, Mom. I was making dinner when the cops showed up.
Amanda, listen.
Listen to me. That's besides the point right now. Everything is going to happen the way it's going to happen, and you need to deal with it. Now take a breath.
No.
Like a woman.
No, I'm gonna fucking lose custody.
You're not going to spend the night in jail then if you don't calm the fuck down.
Listen to me right now.
I'm gonna spend the night in jail regardless.
Listen. Listen, real quick.
Then calm down.
So I'm not even going to report this to DCFS.
They're not gonna fucking bring me home.
Listen, I'm not going to report this to DCFS. I'm going to write you a ticket and I'm going to bring you right back here. Okay?
You're already
She's gonna take the kid to your mom. Okay.
You're
The kid will be safe. Okay.
Look,
Okay, that's all I need. I just wanted
we
to
all know
confirm.
what's going on here. Now you need to just sit down in the car and get the paperwork over with so you can get your ass back home.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna hang up. Okay.
No, yeah, you really fucking.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Bye.
I love you, Amanda.
The arrest itself was physically proportionate. Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. Here, the officer used only verbal direction and soft escort control, with no strikes and no weapons deployed. Officer Colton receives a B. His investigation was methodical, his physical conduct was fully proportionate, and the de-escalation he sustained over more than 20 minutes of a volatile encounter reflects genuine procedural justice training. The grade is held back by the absence of a Miranda advisement on camera before questioning that elicited inculpatory responses. A gap that creates a suppression vulnerability and weakens an otherwise well-built case. The subject receives a C+. Her underlying grievance had some factual basis, but the decision to pursue self-help through theft and threatening notes converted her from a potential complainant into a defendant. More critically, she forfeited her Fifth Amendment protection entirely by voluntarily providing the officer with nearly every element of probable cause before any rights warning was administered. Silence was available to her at every moment, and she did not use it. The Ottawa Police Department receives a B-. Officer Colton's individual conduct reflects well on departmental training, but the record suggests that the subject's prior complaints about decoration theft from her own door received no documented enforcement response, while tonight's complaint from the neighbor produced an arrest. Asymmetric enforcement of identical conduct across the same dispute raises equal protection concerns under the 14th Amendment and invites civil liability under Section 1983 of Title 42. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, Miranda timing is everything. Officers should issue rights advisements earlier than legally required, because waiting until a formal arrest declaration risks losing the most valuable evidence in the case to a suppression motion. Second, citizens must understand that silence is not guilt. The Fifth Amendment exists precisely for encounters like this one, where voluntary statements made in frustration become the cornerstone of a criminal charge. Third, departments must document and respond to all sides of an ongoing dispute with equal rigor, because selective enforcement, even unintentional, creates legal exposure and erodes the community trust that effective policing depends on. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.